Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the middle finger gesture in Bonelab. First, you need to open your in-game menu, typically by pressing the menu button on your left controller. Navigate directly to the player options or input settings section within the menu. Here, you will find an option to enable advanced hand gestures for your selected avatar. Ensuring this setting is turned on is absolutely crucial for your avatar to perform any expressive hand movements, including the one we are discussing. To perform the middle finger gesture, hold your dominant hand controller naturally. With your thumb, firmly press down on the thumbstick. At the same time, gently squeeze the trigger button with your index finger. Hold both of these inputs simultaneously for about 1 second. Your avatar's hand should then transition into the desired expressive pose, clearly visible within the game world, adding a touch of personality to your actions. This gesture adds a unique layer of expressive interaction to your Bonelab experience. You can use it playfully to react to in-game situations, perhaps after narrowly escaping a dangerous encounter or during a humorous moment with a friend. It is a fantastic way to immerse yourself further, giving your avatar a distinct personality. Try using it in various scenarios to see how it enhances your overall gameplay and communication. For consistent gesture execution, practice pressing the thumbstick and trigger simultaneously until it feels natural. If you experience any issues, double-check your controller's battery level, as low power can sometimes affect input responsiveness. Remember, different avatar models might display slightly varied animations for the same gesture, adding to the game's diversity. Enjoy adding this fun, expressive tool to your Bonelab interactions and character portrayal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.